Some industries that our customers support require traceability, and because of that we're able to provide not just our standard cert but our mill certs and our manufacturing certs. The industries that need this are mainly medical, military, government, aerospace. They need to be able to trace where the material came from and that it was a consistent source of material throughout the entire process. Being able to supply the certs that they're looking for beyond our Mead metal cert is really important. A customer will come to our sales group asking if the material is compliant to an AMS ASTM standard, and we'll be able to confirm or deny it at that point. If it is AMS, they more than likely will require the traceability that goes back to the manufacturer. Traceability is a major concern. There are regulations in place within these industries, whether it's military or medical, aerospace. All of them have specific regulations in place that require full traceability of the material. And being able to provide these manufacturing certs really fulfills those requirements for our customers and their customers.